This is the Sony XP500 Bluetooth speaker that nobody talks about. Damn, this sound system is packed with a lot of features and the sound quality is so awesome. Comes with a mega bass functionality that blow your mind, man. The sound system is it's something else. Okay, so it has a battery that can last for about 21 hours if you're using this speaker at an average volume. Okay, and it charges for about 3 hours. So you can also charge it while you play. And there is this thing I observe about the speaker. So when it's plugged in, you have a better sound quality. I don't know why it's built that way, but overall, the sound system is really awesome. Back to the app. Beside switching from one RGB color to the other, there's this functionality where you can control the music by moving the phone left and right. This speaker has a built-in IPX4 splash resistant. It has a two-way subwoofer system, bass reflex, and so far, I like this sound system because I can actually modify it to suit my purpose, using it indoor or outdoors. So whichever way it works perfectly well. Here, talking about the built-in ports, we have the DC and the AC. The AC port 120 volt, the DC 5 volts, 1.5 ampere, and we have the audio jack inputs and the input for mic. You can connect a guitar to it and enjoy the sound quality. If you like this video, like, comment, and share. See you on the next video.